I'm known for the use bronzer and act like it's eyeshadow. Like, I'm a part of that club. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time seeing me here on the YT, hi, my name is Courtney Janine and I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle here on this channel. If you like any of those things, definitely click the subscribe button and join the Court Crew family. In today's video, I'm doing another makeup review. So I feel like I'm kind of late, but I'm not late. Like, I purchased these products when they first launched, but I didn't realize how slow ColourPop's shipping was. I haven't ordered from them in a while since they freaking discontinued my favorite brow product. So ColourPop, if you're seeing this, honestly, when I get my ColourPop collab, we're bringing back the brow products, honey, because that was my fave. Like, I loved the brow product so much. But anyway, today I'm going to be trying rawbeautykristi x ColourPop. I picked up a couple things from the launch and I'm super excited to try. If you're interested in this hair though, because I know I'm giving a different look, honey. I believe that my wig review on this wig will go up before I put out this makeup review. So definitely check it out. It's not fully laid down, so if you see some lace, mind your business, okay? I'm going to be trying ColourPop's eyeshadow for the first time. We're going to do Black Girl Try. So I'm super excited. Honestly, I think the reason why I've never purchased a eyeshadow palette from ColourPop before is because they always look just a little ashy. Like, I can't even front. Like, low-key, it just looked like it was never warm enough. I don't know. But today, rawbeautykristi, she came through for the girls, okay? So this is the box that it came with, you know, and it always comes with a little note, but I'm really upset because my note should have been the rawbeautykristi note, because all I got was rawbeautykristi products. My note should have been the rawbeautykristi one, so I'm a little upset about that, but you know, I don't think it's rawbeautykristi. She wasn't in the ColourPop, you know, factory putting the orders together, so I won't knock it, but I was really upset about that. So I picked up 3 products. So let me open them up right now. So this is the first thing that I got. It's the At First Sight palette. It's super cute, has mushrooms on it. I don't like mushrooms, but they're cute to look at, and this packaging is just simply adorable, you guys. Like, I'm in love. So it comes with 12. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. Yeah, it comes with 12 shadows. I just realized that it didn't come with a mirror, but it is a really affordable palette. So this is what the color story is looking like. Super cute, right? Like, it just screams fall to me. Love this color story. It screamed fall. There's mostly mattes, and I was super here for it. I don't know what type of look I'm gonna go for today, especially because I have this hair, but we shall see. So that's not all that I got. I actually picked up one of their Super Shock shadows. I haven't purchased one of these in a minute, but Kristi always raves about these, and she said it's one of her favorite products by ColourPop. So I picked up the shade Campfire. Super cute. So I'm excited to use that. Maybe I'll do like an orange look just because this, but I really wanted to dive into the green. And then lastly, I picked up one of their liners. This is Woodsy, and it's their brown. I've always wanted like a brown liner, but now that I have like the brightening one, I'm not sure if I'll use this, but we'll see. I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see this eyeshadow look. So we're up close and personal. Do I want to prime my eyes? Not really. I mean, I guess I could, but I don't really want to, so I'm not going to. Okay, I'm gonna pin back this side of my hair just because I don't want it in my face. I want to see both eyes, you know, what the girls are saying. And I put on this wig, but honestly I might change it if, you know, the look just doesn't go with it. But I am in love with it. Okay, but I like this color. It's just sometimes, you know, when you're wearing colored hair, it can mess up the whole vibe. So I'm gonna go in with Puffball first, which is like, it's kind of like a tan shade. It's on the lighter side of tan though, I will say. But I'm gonna use this as a transition shade. And just put that in the crease. Maybe I should have went in with the primer. You live and you learn. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Rainer, which is like a burgundy. I'm just trying to build that color up because, honey, now that I kind of like put the color down, now I can kind of go in and blend it out, because you kind of want to build up the color. That's what I'm getting from these shades, is that you kind of have to pack it and then blend out, because the pigmentation is there, honey, but you have to set her up for success. So yeah, this is like my first time trying ColourPop eyeshadows. I'm gonna go in with Homegrown, which is like a burgundy-ish color. I'm gonna actually mix Homegrown and Amanita. So Homegrown is more of like a burgundy, while Amanita is more like a purple. But I really just want to give a deeper crease, and then I can go in with our lid color, which is going to be that Super Shock Shadow in Campfire. This is not the type of look that I thought I was going for though. Like, honestly, I'm like, I might have to freaking go change my wig dealing with this. This is just my first impressions of ColourPop eyeshadows as a whole. I feel like you have to like kind of build up the color just a bit. So I'm gonna go in with Campfire, which is the Super Shock Shadow. I'm just gonna put this on my lid. Ooh, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. It's so like putty like. Wow, this is so pretty. So I haven't used like their mattes or their shimmers, but the Super Shock Shadows I'm not new to. I've used this before. It's giving Campfire, honestly. It's giving Campfire. I just finished my eyes. I'm really liking them. It's really giving like, I thought I was gonna do a green look, honestly, when I first saw the palette, just because it's a lot of like, there's a lot of greens, and I thought that's where I was gonna go with this, but it turned out to be more of like a burgundy with orangey. So it's giving me like fire. It's giving me a look, honey. Okay guys, so this is how the eyes are looking. We're definitely going to go and do something fun on the lower lash line, because you know I want to give Woodsy a test. I don't know if I'm gonna use Woodsy. I want to, but I also would like to like brighten up my eyes. I like to brighten up my waterline, so I don't know yet. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and then we'll come back to finish the eyes and give you guys my final thoughts. So I'll see you guys soon. All right, and we back. Okay, so now I'm going to finish up these eyes. Let's go in with the lower lash line now. I think I want to add like some green. I feel like it'll be really pretty, and if it's a flop, that's hectic. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with Emerald City. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Emerald City, or should I go with Amanita? Maybe I should go in with the purple. Let's go in with the purple so we complete the look. I don't want, you know, I don't want nothing too crazy and it look crazy. So let's go in with Amanita. Cute. Okay, so I did want to use Woodsy on this look, but I don't think I am, just because I feel like it would look so much better if I open up my eyes a bit with the Makeup by Mario. I'm not sure. Let me put on lashes so we can kind of see what's going on. Okay, you guys, so what I'm gonna do basically off camera is just go ahead and finish my face, do blush, mascara, and lips, and then I'll be back to tell you guys the my final thoughts on this rawbeautykristi x ColourPop collab. And honestly, ColourPop eyeshadows, is it black girl approved? So I'll be back, you guys. So I just finished my makeup. The only thing that I want to add before we get into my final thoughts is that I did go in off camera and apply West Coast, which is this really pretty gold shade, to my inner corner, and I feel like that just set the look off, honey. But yeah, let's get into my final thoughts on this palette. I'm always wearing my robe, but I just don't feel like getting dressed right now. So I hope you guys don't mind. But anyway, thoughts about this rawbeautykristi x ColourPop collab, and what are my thoughts on ColourPop's eyeshadows. So let's get into it. The palette first, of course. Here is the At Foresight palette. I love this palette. Honestly, you guys, I give this palette, I wouldn't say a 10 out of 10, just because I do wish that it had more of like a deeper orange on here. I guess Rainer is the closest thing to it, but more like a burnt orange sienna and less like a burnt coral color. That's how I can kind of describe it. But I do just love this color story. I feel like, especially right now with the pandemic, I feel as though brands have pushed back release dates, and sometimes they're releasing stuff that just doesn't make sense anymore. This one just seems really timely. It seems so Kristi. It seems so fall, which is perfect for right now, and it definitely is a palette that I feel like will go perfect with my collection, just because I don't really have these types of colors in my collection already. Perfect for right now. It's perfect for the season. If you don't have these types of colors, then you should definitely pick it up. It's more of a matte palette, mostly mattes and just 3 shimmers, but I feel like, especially if you picked up the Super Shock shadows too, you'll have enough shimmers to kind of complete the palette. I watched another review on this, and they talked about how you can take these shadows out and like get other ColourPop singles and pop them in, so that's perfect too. So this is a go for me. I really like this palette. Let's get into the Super Shock shadow. Where is she at? The next thing that I tried was the Super Shock shadow. I love the Super Shock shadows. I haven't tried their eyeshadow palettes, but I have tried the Super Shock, and these are so good. It's such a unique formula, which I love. This one is a really pretty orange. I usually, if I do a eyeshadow look, you guys know I'm known for the mattes, girl. I'm known for the use bronzer and act like it's eyeshadow. Like, I'm a part of that club. And I don't usually do eyeshadow, but when I do eyeshadow, I typically go for a burnt orange, like an orange look, and this color is perfect. It will go great with my collection, and I knew that I would use this shadow a lot. I love this formula. If you like the Super Shock shadows, I definitely feel like you will like it, and it comes in other colors, not just this one, but this is what I used on the eyes today. Lastly, the gel liners. I don't even really want to like swatch this, because I watched other videos as I was awaiting my package to arrive, and a lot of them swatched this and then it broke, so I don't even want to play that. But it's a dark brown. I feel like I would use this a lot. Right now I'm really into the bright, like the nude liner in your waterline, but I definitely know that I will get some use out of this. I've never tried their gel liners before, so I can't speak to that, but definitely check out and make sure you're subscribed, because I will be using in a future tutorial or a future makeup video, so definitely subscribe. Daily plug. So those are my final thoughts here on the rawbeautykristi collab. Definitely let me know down in the comments. I don't know if it's sold out, but if it is, you guys should definitely wait for the restock, because I feel like this is a perfect, like, not perfect, I feel like nothing's actually perfect. Like I said, I would have added a darker burnt orange to this. If you have $20 to spare, definitely like pick it up. I feel like I'll get a lot of looks out of it, especially for this fall season. So if you made it this far, I have a surprise. So this is my palette that I've been using, but I definitely did pick up a second palette for you guys, and I accidentally put 2 in my cart, so that means I'm doing a giveaway, you guys. So here is the At Foresight pressed powder palette. I'll be giving this away, and here are the rules if you want to win this perfect for fall palette. Let me give you guys a tea. So if you're still watching, here is my surprise giveaway, and this is all you have to do, honey. All you have to do is make sure you're following me on here, so make sure you're subscribed to this channel, thumbs up this video, follow me on Instagram as well. Comment down below what type of look you would do with this palette, screenshot this video, and make sure that it shows that you're subscribed, and DM it to me on Instagram at Courtney Janine, and that is your entry. Okay, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed if you love makeup reviews. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.